All right, last slide here, guys. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is, and this is super, super, super important, is before you close out the document, you need to make sure to save it one more time. In fact, you should have been saving it several times since the last time, but for now, go ahead and save it one more time. Hit Control S, or come up here and click on the floppy disk icon to save it one final time. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be opening the document from your OneDrive and turning in the link from your OneDrive. If you did not save your most recent changes and then you went to turn the link in from your OneDrive, this might sound a little confusing. The updates that you had made, the changes that you had made since the last save would not be there. So this is why it's very, very, very important before you close it down that you save it one last time. Once you know you've saved it, you can go ahead and X out of the document. We just did one. Now we're going to open the document from your OneDrive. Hopefully you have this bookmarked. I do in my school folder, so I'm just going to come down here and go to my OneDrive. If you don't have it bookmarked, go in through your Office 365 apps. I would bookmark it if I were you. Okay, remember, we saved it in your computer apps folder. I don't know where I saved mine, to be honest, but it should be in your computer apps folder somewhere in there, and you should have titled it the whole keyboard shortcuts, whatever. I'm going to go into my recents to find mine because I think it's there. There we go. All right. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Now we are going to turn in the link to this document. I know mine is not matching. Don't worry about that. Yours should match. Like everything that you had completed here should be on here. Now, in order to turn it in, it's taking forever to load. Hang on. Sorry. There we go. You're going to come over here and you're going to hit this share button. Click that. You will see a pop-up. And you're just going to hit copy link. Then you're going to head over to Schoology. Okay. Now that you, sorry guys, are in Schoology, you're in my course, you're in my materials. You should see a keyboard shortcut folder right here. Go ahead and go into that folder, or you can just click this drop down arrow and it'll show you what's in the folder. You should see a 0.02 keyboard shortcuts assignment. Click that. Now to turn in the link to this assignment, you're going to come over here and you're going to hit submit assignment. And now since this is a link, you cannot paste it here. This is only for a comment. This is only for uploading files that were saved to your computer. So we need to come over here to this create tab. And you don't have to worry about getting all fancy dancy and using this link option. Actually, yeah, you do. Let's do this to make sure that I can click it. Click on this link option here. So the URL, you're just going to paste that, Control V, paste that URL in there, and then title it. So what would we say? This is keyboard shortcuts, and then hit insert. You will see your keyboard shortcuts link appear there. It should be blue, signifies that it is a link. And then you're going to hit submit. I am not going to do that because I'm using someone else's account and I don't want them to have submitted this when they really did not. So that is it. Yahoo! Good job, guys. Check you later.